Ki fake news ki bala sapriang pajba ki social media ki bakam ba Myntri Rangbah du jong ke Israel u Benjamin Netanyahu ula Khlad no kini ki Khubor hamsaya lapin sapriang stat ba online bat langit bala thau da ka bapendon kam ya ka AI bat ki jingtep ki babakla Henry kini ki jingkino kimlong ki bashisha u Netanyahu udang bat ula pau pat ba ru kat ba ki he sorkar kila kren shai bat kentaj ye kini ki Khubor ha ka juk kapor ula samru ye ka Khubor video ba Thymmai ka bakit bog kirwiang naurus ya ki pat ba ke Iran ha ka te ka video ula khot ye ki kum ki briu ki bashlur bat ula pha ru ye ka jingkit bog kirwiang jong una ka benta ka te ka jingrakhi naurus.
To the brave people of Iran, I wish you, as I do every year, a happy holiday season beginning with the Festival of Lights. It signifies the age-old belief of the Iranian people that light will triumph over darkness, that good will triumph over evil. This year, this holiday has special meaning. Celebrate it with your friends, your family, your loved ones. I take this opportunity to wish you a happy Nowruz, a year of freedom, a new beginning of hope to all of you, my dear friends. Nowruz Piruz, Payonde Iran.